Hi guys!
So we already showed you in the previous video how to make the pizza dough, and now we are making our cheese puff stuffed pizza base. And we're filling it with mozzarella and some cheddar cheese. Yummy cheese-filled pizza. And a cheesy crust stuffed pizza. Here's our pesto rosso with some pizza sauce topping. And we're ready to add the toppings. Mushrooms, broccoli, onions, and some capsicum, and some chicken kebab, and some olives. That's favorite, me and chef both. And finally, what we're always waiting for, our cheese. This one's mozzarella.
So we're gonna add
And some cheddar cheese.
cheese. Yummy.
And it's ready, and we're gonna bake it for 25. And our stuffed yummy cheesy pizza is ready. This is just like our cheese burst. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to eat it, and here's our chef.